Which dash cam deserves your windshield? The Garmin Dash Cam 57 vs ROVE R2-4K Dual. Let's address the elephant in the parking lot immediately. The Garmin records genuine 4K video at 2560 by 1440 resolution and 30 frames per second. No tricks, no marketing gimmicks, just honest QHD video. The 140-degree field of view captures cross-traffic without excessive distortion. Garmin Clarity HDR optics boost shadows and lower highlights so details remain visible in bright sunlight or dark shadows. Independent testing confirms the 57 produces crisp footage where license plates and road signs stay legible even at highway speeds. The ROVE markets itself as a 4K dash cam at 3840 by 2160 resolution. It's not. Independent testing reveals ROVE uses the Sony IMX675 Starvis 2 sensor, which is a 2K sensor, not 4K. The camera captures footage at 25 frames per second, then artificially stretches it to 30 frames per second by duplicating every sixth frame. The video file claims 4K, but the actual captured footage is 2K upscaled to fake 4K resolution. This is deceptive marketing, plain and simple. Multiple dash cam enthusiasts on Reddit and specialized forums have called out ROVE for this practice. Compared to true 4K cameras like the Viofo A229 Pro, it falls apart in clarity when examining license plates. The Garmin is single-channel, front-facing only. If you need rear coverage, you'll purchase a separate Garmin rear camera or go with a different model entirely. For many, front-only recording suffices for capturing accidents ahead. The compact design virtually disappears behind your rearview mirror. The ROVE includes front and rear cameras. The front records at fake 4K, real 2K, with 150-degree field of view. The rear captures genuine 1080p at 1920 by 1080 with 140-degree coverage using a Galaxy Core GC2053 sensor. You're getting simultaneous recording from both angles. The 6.5-meter rear camera extension cable provides flexibility for installation. Here's the catch. Parking mode motion detection only works on the front camera. The rear doesn't detect motion, which is a significant limitation. The Garmin uses Garmin Clarity HDR technology, optimizing exposure in challenging lighting. Real-world testing shows decent night performance. Streetlights and headlights don't blow out excessively, and you can identify vehicles in most conditions. However, it's not class-leading. Some reviewers note graininess in dusk and nighttime footage. It's functional but not exceptional. The ROVE front camera uses the Sony IMX675 Starvis 2 sensor, with f1.5 aperture allowing more light to enter the lens. The rear camera has f1.8 aperture. Starvis 2 technology specifically targets low-light performance, and real-world testing confirms improved brightness in dark conditions compared to non-Starvis cameras. However, because it's upscaling 2K to fake 4K, fine details suffer. You get brighter footage but less sharpness. The Garmin 57 is approximately 2 inches wide, 1.5 inches tall, 1.35 inches deep, genuinely pocket-sized. The magnetic mounting system is brilliant. A small metal octagonal plate sticks to your windshield with semi-permanent tape, and the magnetically coupled arm attaches instantly. The 57 includes a battery good for about 30 minutes, but you'll plug it in for every drive. Build quality feels premium with zero flex. Multiple reviewers praise durability. Garmin includes a 16 GB microSD card and supports cards up to 512 GB. The ROVE uses a supercapacitor instead of a battery, critical for heat tolerance. Batteries degrade rapidly in hot car interiors. Supercapacitors withstand extreme temperatures far better. The windshield suction mount and 3M sticky mount both come included. Build quality is solid plastic. ROVE includes a massive 128 GB microSD card and supports up to 1 TB. The 3-inch IPS display is notably larger than Garmin's 2-inch screen. The Garmin 57 offers Wi-Fi connectivity for uploading to Garmin's Vault cloud storage. Saved videos automatically upload when connected to Wi-Fi. The Garmin Drive app provides settings control and live view monitoring. Voice control works in English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Swedish. Say OK Garmin to save videos, start audio recording, or take photos. Built-in GPS logs location, speed, and date stamps. Driver alerts include forward collision warnings, lane departure warnings, and speed camera notifications. Parking guard mode requires a separate hardwire kit and monitors your parked vehicle, sending alerts if incidents occur. The ROVE R2-4K features dual-band 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi with download speeds up to 20 megabytes per second, significantly faster than most competitors. The ROVE app provides instant video management on iOS and Android with over-the-air firmware updates. Built-in GPS tracks routes, speed, and compass direction displayed on the 3-inch screen. Voice guidance provides spoken alerts. Parking mode offers 3 options: 1 frame per second time-lapse, motion detection, front-only, and collision detection. A hardwire kit is required and sold separately. If an event occurs while parked, the camera records a full 1-minute video and alerts you when you start your car. However, if you don't clear the parking alert notification, the camera won't record while driving. A frustrating design flaw. Both retail at approximately $200. Identical pricing for fundamentally different products. The Garmin 57 gets you true 1440p video with honest specifications, premium build quality, brilliant magnetic mount, vault cloud storage, voice control in 6 languages, and Garmin's reputation for reliability. You're paying for single-channel recording with no rear coverage included. The ROVE gets you dual-channel recording with front and rear cameras, 128 GB microSD card included, versus Garmin's 16 GB, supercapacitor heat tolerance, faster Wi-Fi, larger 3-inch display, and dramatically more storage capacity. You're accepting fake 4K marketing, 25 frames per second capture stretched to 30 frames per second, rear motion detection that doesn't work, and parking alerts that block recording until dismissed. At identical pricing, you're choosing between Garmin's honest single-channel quality and ROVE's deceptive dual-channel quantity. For most drivers prioritizing honesty and video quality, the Garmin Dash Cam 57 is the winner at $200. You're getting true 4K resolution without marketing deception, premium build quality, brilliant magnetic mounting, and a brand known for reliability. Yes, it's single-channel only, but if front recording satisfies your needs, Garmin delivers genuine quality without fake specifications. The Clarity HDR produces usable footage day and night, and the compact design virtually disappears on your windshield. But the ROVE justifies its purchase if dual-channel recording matters more than technical honesty. Despite fake 4K marketing and 25 frames per second stretched to 30 frames per second, you're getting functional front and rear coverage, massive 128 GB card included, supercapacitor heat tolerance, and Starvis 2 low light performance. If you need rear coverage and can accept ROVE's misleading resolution claims, it's the practical choice. There's your breakdown, brutally honest and unfiltered. Links to both the Garmin Dash Cam 57 and ROVE R2-4K are in the description. If this comparison helped you cut through marketing nonsense and choose the right dash cam, hit subscribe. We're building pro product comparison into the channel that tells uncomfortable truths other reviewers won't touch. Drop a comment. Garmin for honest 4K or ROVE for dual channel despite fake 4K? Your feedback drives our comparisons. Thanks for watching. Go protect your driving.